There are moments when people don't cry from pain. They cry because they finally see love again. When peace appears, they came without a message to sell. No shouting voice, no warning bell, just quiet steps on open ground. A moving prayer without a sound. And people stopped along the way, from tired lives and heavy days. Something ancient stirred inside, and tears fell freely side by side. While for peace we never forget, these are tears of joy and unity, tears we will never forget. When peace appears without an agenda, and love asks nothing yet, no lines to draw, no sides to choose, no fear to protect. Just human hearts remembering what loving kindness meant. One for peace, one for men, love forget. Love forgets, well forget, love forget. The journey itself, 2,300 miles of trust, from Fort Worth roads to DC's dust. 120 days of grace, step by step a human pace. One meal a day, the road their home. Strangers helping, not alone. Anyone welcome, none turned away. Compassion walking, come what may. Love forgets, never forget. These are tears of joy and unity, tears we will never forget. When peace appears without an agenda, and love asks nothing yet, no speech is made, no fist raised high, no anger to defend. Just human hearts remembering how broken worlds can bend. No forget. Beside them walked a quiet soul, a loyal dog named Aloka. When the road hurts back, then came the night, the sudden sound, a broken moment on the ground. A monk was hurt, the road went still, the body shaken, not the will. No rage erupted, no blame took hold, no hardened hearts, no fists closed. They breathed, they cared, they held the pain, they chose compassion once again. And when the road could carry feet, they rose, returned, and did not retreat. Suffering met with steady grace, the walk continued, same clear pace. What we carry forward, what we carry forward, these are tears of joy and unity, born where love has no conditions. Peace without an enemy, no permission, no position. In divided times, uncertain days, when anger fills the air, a quiet walk becomes a vow that love is still a choice we share. These are tears of joy and unity, tears we will never forget. Not because the road was gentle, but because compassion never left. We didn't just witness a journey, we witnessed who we can still be.